Hi, today I am going to show you how to change perspective in CapCut.
Not really, but kinda. The goal of this video tutorial is to see how to change the perspective of a video, like in this outdoor ad. Spoiler alert right from the start.
I am using the latest version of CapCut. Suppose you want to add your own video to this outdoor advertisement.
First, remove the green screen. But now, how the heck can you change the perspective of the video in CapCut for PC? You can't do that, obviously.
There is no option to change the perspective in CapCut.
You can scale and rotate the video, but for some reason, you cannot change the perspective.
Maybe, but only maybe, ByteDance is busy implementing artificial intelligence instead of basic editing tools.
Anyways,
I will show you how to get around the problem and how you can achieve this.
let's get started. First, download a suitable image from the internet. Use your favorite image editing program to add a green screen. In my case, I use the pen tool to select the visible part of the screen of the outdoor advertisement. If necessary, make some refinements.
Convert the curves into a selection and then delete the selected pixels.
Now use the fill bucket and select a greenish color.
This will make it easier to replace the green part of the screen with your video later. Finally, export the image. You will need it right away. I could remember that OpenShot offers such a function to change the perspective of a video, but I was wrong. OpenShot only seems to allow you to share a video, but not to change its perspective.
I also had to look around for another solution to solve the problem.
And of course, I found a free alternative that I would like to show you.
By the way, if you use CapCut, I have lots of video tutorials on my channel, so make sure to check them out.
I found out that it is very easy to adjust the perspective of a video in Shotcut, another free video editor.
Just go to the website and download your free version. Add the footage to the timeline.
Create a new track and drag and drop the picture above the video you would like to change the perspective.
Align the picture and change the duration by dragging on the edges. Select the image and then add a chroma key filter to remove the green part so that the video underneath can show through. Now add another filter to the video.
Select the video first.
The filter to change the perspective is called corner pin.
Note the number symbols in the corners. Select each number icon and drag it to the corresponding corner. When you have finished, the video should be displayed in the correct perspective according to the background. Click on the play button to check the result.
Looks good. Now export the video file. Once the export is finished, import the file into CapCut.
So, to summarize, to change the perspective of a video in CapCut, you need to use other software such Shotcut Video Editor. The corner pin function does a pretty good job. I don't know why CapCut doesn't offer such basic features, but you could use the feedback button and ask them yourself.
I hope the video was useful and you were able to understand how to change the perspective of a video. Watch the next video to learn more about things that I think CapCut should improve.